final word you want to talk?
सर थैंक यू सो मच, वर्कशॉप बहुत अच्छा था। सिर्फ एक्चुअली सर नेक्स्ट टाइम डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैटिस्टिक्स या जो स्टडी डिजाइन होता है ना, लॉन्जिट्यूडनल स्टडी, क्रॉस सेक्शनल स्टडीज, उसको अगर वो बेसिक मतलब वो बेसिक रखकर अगर उसके हिसाब से प्लान आउट करते तो फिर वो इंक्लूड हो जाता रिसर्च में, तो इजी हो जाता, मतलब कोरिलेट करने के लिए सैम्पलिंग साइज एंड स्टडी डिजाइन दोनों।
हाँ, उसके लिए फिर मुझे लेंथ ज्यादा रखनी पड़ेगी। अभी भी मैंने एक दिन एक्सटेंड किया है ना, अगर मुझे उसके 5 to 6 डेज रखना पड़ेगा, है ना, तो बिकॉज अगर मुझे
वो मीन मीडियन मोड कोएफिशिएंट वेरिएंस स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन सब एक ही साथ, मतलब वो इजी जाता है डिवाइस करने के लिए आर्म में, डिस्क्रिप्टिव में इसके लिए।
अच्छा ठीक है, यू वांट मी टू टॉक अबाउट मोर ऑन दोस थिंग्स, राइट?
हाँ, स्टडी डिजाइन एंड सैम्पलिंग टेक्निक्स लाइक कोरिलेशन ऑफ बोथ इन रिसर्च।
Right. I will take care. Any other feedback, Dr. Shweta? You want to talk to something, ma'am? Do you have any feedback?
So, this workshop was very nice. I mean, in terms of especially the way it was like, even though it was online, but we could interact with you personally. So that was the best part about this workshop, which I liked. And you went very like patiently. You focused on each and every student. Uh, the feedback which I would like to give is that if you can include some more, like when we are talking about the analysis, which test is to be used where, like that can like more can be talked about that, some interpretation things. So I think for students it can become like more, it will be of like there will be more to take away for students.
Okay, so you want me to extend the length of the course, right?
Yeah, definitely. Of course, that will require that. And yeah, I'm looking forward to maybe time series analysis or some case study things which
Sure,
will come up with.
that is in my
Please do share those things.
So you connect with you always connect with my these things which I have shared with you, and connect with you my LinkedIn, and I have shared you my intellectual website or the address also. I will definitely in the group also. I try to share everything, and I will share. Don't leave the group, and I will update my things here. So that's
Okay,
what we can do.
definitely.
Dr. Pooja, what is your views on the workshop?
First of all, sir, thank you for giving this opportunity to me. It was quite interacting, and every time I was like, "Sir is going to ask something," and I was like, "I need to maintain that flow." And every question, Pooja, are you understanding? Oh my God, sir is asking, and at the same time, my daughters are shouting, "Mama, ye wo." Matlab, it's like you were saying, "Are please control this." So it was very embarrassing situation. Apart from this,
I'm sorry.
this workshop was very insightful, and I really enjoyed, because at a time it happens like when the workshops are online, so we often take it as a like lenient kind of things. But the time you were taking all the sessions, we were very active and we were keep participating, and that was very like very participating, very lively kind of sessions were there. But yes, one thing I want to suggest, it's not like that you're I'm taking any limitations, but for the improvement only, like you can start from the data, and we need to start the processing in from the initial stage. Like I was confused, I was not confused, but as per my understanding, I think first we need to take the reliability test for the that particular scale. So how to go for the reliability first, then when we are going to apply the test, so how we are going to ascertain that assumptions. So that kind of processes will make us more clear how to proceed one by one, because we are on the initial stage, and of course we need to have some clarity towards it. So that will again make a difference for your sessions also.
Definitely. Yes, I will definitely make this session more. I will take more time now, and I will talk to about this. We will start from data and how should do it and what are the assumptions are. I will definitely talk in the future, ma'am. Right, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Niharika,